Areen Agrawal says, I came across this argument on atheism doesn't exist that says humans have this longing for purpose, but how can we long for purpose in a universe in which purpose has never existed as a concept? See, here, I'll tell you, every civilization on earth has some conception of God, right? Does this prove that God does exist, or does this prove that humans have a longing for something like God? I think it proves the latter. Humans do have a longing for something supernatural, some kind of a powerful figure who will protect them. And I think the reason behind that is every civilization on earth emerged from a place of helplessness. There was a time when we needed help and we were feeling hopeless. And so we made up stories about beings who will help us. In some societies, these are animal spirits. In some societies, these are humanoid characters. And some societies, in some societies, these are volcanoes. In some, these are trees. We needed help. There was no one to help us. We made up imaginary friends. That's where all religion comes from, our imagination. And it's completely possible for a thing to exist in our heads and for it to not have any real world existence. So the question is, how can we long for purpose in a universe in which purpose has never existed as a concept is nonsense. We can long for things that don't exist. I wish to see a dragon. Dragons don't exist. I made the idea up. It's completely possible. In fact, it's not even like when I say it's possible, I seem to be implying that it's possible, but we don't know. But I think it is safe to say that we do know that we make up things. It's not rocket science. We make up things all the time. We sometimes lose someone, right? Someone who was very dear to us, and we make up stories in our head about their continued existence. That's where all the ideas about afterlife come from. We are imaginary creatures. We imagine in order to survive.